I will show you how to remove this radio and replace it with aftermarket radio with GPS and much more updated. At first, the handbrake is very important. Remove this trimmer. Yeah. Next, just turn off the key in order to put in neutral. Okay, that's all. Now we just try to remove this lower section. You see, these two this and here's the wire. You have to remove it. Okay, that's all. Put away. Next one. Be careful, don't break it. And just pull away. Next step, we have to remove only 4 screws here. That hold the radio with the 7 millimeters. Do you see? 7 millimeters. Right. Okay. So done. And now theoretically we can move it. Yeah, move it. It's not much because the cable behind this will not let. But do you see this clip? It should push down and pull it. Yeah, 1 and 2. A little bigger. And now this antenna cable. This is a little bit harder, but it's not. Isn't too difficult. And it needs plier. So the radio is in hand now.